So, a lot of rains kind of slowed the progress of this. Not really wanting to lay in the mud to try to finish the job up. But in the middle of all this, I've realized that there is a leak that's been happening here for quite some time. I had hoped that I would finish all this and then fix this so it wouldn't be an issue and I wouldn't bump it again, leaking before I started this project. But it looks like today I'm going to go ahead and dig it out, find out where my leak is, and make that a thing of the past. All right, hope you enjoy the show. Here we go. Well, all dug out, and those of you who know how wonderful digging in this kind of mud is, it's super awesome. At any rate, put back together, rebuilt a couple things, some new pieces, pressured up. Seem to be no leaks. Gonna let it sit like this for a minute or two, make sure there is no leaks, and off to the next project. Maybe some gardening. Hope everybody's having an awesome day.